Hey everyone, today we are going to make the custard, and for that what I've done is that I've taken milk. This is almost half liter of milk. So what you have to do is that boil the milk for 5 to 10 minutes, and then after that we are going to mix the custard powder and sugar inside it. But let's wait for this to boil a bit. So friends, you can see that this is the custard, and I have taken like around 3 spoon of custard. So you can take as much, like if you want to make a thicker kind of custard, then you can take more spoons of custard, but I think this will be kind of like average consistency of custard, and this is the original real flavor of custard. So that's what I've taken, and you can see that this is a pink color. I'm going to mix some water in it right now. So I'm mixing some water. So I mixed a little bit of water, and you just need to make sure that the whole custard powder mix thoroughly with the water. So as you can see that the custard powder is almost mixed inside this the water, and I'm just trying to make sure that there is no clump, and you also need to make sure that there is no clump inside it, otherwise that is going to become clumpy. So you want to make a custard which is of even consistency. So just keep mixing it till the time you don't have a consistent uh, like this solution which has no clump inside it. So friend, our milk is really kind of like boiling. It's hot even though it's not showing as boiling, but it's been on heat for quite some time. I'm going to put some brown sugar inside it. You can also use the white sugar, but I think don't use the jaggery because that may alter the taste of the custard. So just put the sugar inside it, and sugar as per your taste. So I don't take much sugar, I try to keep it less sweet. So I'm going to put few more spoons, and that will be enough for us, and you can always add the sugar later. So I think that will be not an issue. So just put the sugar inside it, and once you put the sugar, you just need to mix it thoroughly. And yeah, you can see that there's a cream and there is a yeah. So the milk is really hot, and let sugar melt, and then I'm going to put the custard solution inside it. So friends, you can see that this is our custard solution, which I just mix water and custard powder inside it, and this is our milk, which already has sugar inside it. I'm going to pour this solution uh, into the milk, but you have to keep in mind that you have to pour it slowly. Don't pour everything at the same time. Just pour little bit, and then you need to mix it just to make sure that it mixes well, because it need to mix thoroughly so that no clump will form, and you will get a consistent kind of. You can see that the color of the milk has changed to yellowish now, but this is not sufficient. I'm going to put some more amount of custard inside it. So you can see that I have put almost the entire amount of custard inside it, and you can see that now our custard has become quite thick, and it has become a nice kind of consistency. This is how your custard should be. You can make even thinner or thicker depending everything upon you, but your taste. But I prefer slightly thick kind of custard, so that's the reason why I have taken a little bit more amount of custard. So yeah, this is okay now. So let it cook for 5 more minutes, because the corn from which the custard is made, that need to be cooked. So let it cook for a while. So friends, you can see that the custard is almost ready. It has sugar inside it, it has the custard which is almost cooked, and it is yellowish color. And usually by default the custard will be yellow color, but there is also rose flavor and orange flavor and all those flavor these days available, vanilla and all. You can buy it, and they all taste pretty much same except the flavor part. And after it is done, I will let it cool down, and then I'm going to put, you can see that this is the cut fruits and some cashew. You can also put almonds inside it, or pomegranate, or some other fruits, whatever which is not going to spoil the milk or the taste of the custard. But I would say that try to put the sweet fruits. I have taken some oranges, but I think my oranges are sweet, so I've already tasted, so I think they will be fine. But you should not take very sour or salty kind of food inside it, fruits, which can actually alter the taste of the custard. So once this will cool down, I'm going to mix the fruits with the custard, and yeah, that will be our custard will be ready. Thanks for watching. So friends, the custard is actually cool now. I have already taken it outside a bowl, and now I'm going to put some fruits in it. So I'll put some dry fruits and fruits, and that's it. The custard is ready to eat, and just mix it, and that's it. Custard is ready. Thank you so much for watching.